Ako na ba yan? Hello. Ang question ko po, gano'ng ka-liquid yung mutual fund? Parang mawi-withdraw ko ba siya kagad ng, kasi di ba may emergency, ganyan.
Yeah. The funds are very liquid, no? In fact, by mandate, by SEC mandate, because for mutual funds, it's Securities and Exchange Commission who regulates the funds, the products. There's a rule that you have to have the fund itself, the product itself. It has to have a liquidity requirement. Parang medyo quite similar to what Maylin was mentioning a while ago. So by law, you actually have to have that cash portion into your product. And if in any case a client wants to withdraw the money, the fund or the product is ready to buy back their shares, no? If they want to withdraw their money, and in less than by 7 days by regulation as well, we have to provide that withdrawal. To some clients, to some investors, they don't know. Actually, when you withdraw your money as well with from a mutual fund, it's tax free. Walang 20% withholding tax. Like when you put money in a time deposit, there's 20% withholding tax. In mutual funds, it's withdrawals or your redemptions are tax free. So again, it's comforted by the fact that there's a regulator behind it who monitors your product, and at the same time, the regulator ensures that the product itself is quite protective to the investor's concern, or need. That's why there's a liquidity requirement.